Hi TVS, welcome back to my next video. In this video we are going to see how to add an elements to an array. So if we have predefined an array and then if you want to add one more element in an array, so how to do that dynamically. So let me show you with an example. So as in my previous video I have already told you how to declare an array. So here let me take an array of person, right? So here I declared array with two variables like name I have given, right? And let me add one more array. So how to do that? To add one more array, so we need to tell person.push. Inside it you need to write a name. Right. So as usual I'll be printing it in my console, right? So console.log, and here what I'll do, I will print number of elements in an array in this, and I want to print number of person in this right now. Okay, so let me open the program in the Firefox. You can able to see here Firefox, the program will be loaded. Program got loaded. Let me open my console here, right click on it, then go to inspect, or you can simply type Q. Here you need to go to console and you can have your response here. See, here you got array, in previous one, and this. You need to go here and you can able to check here without pushing. Let me show you the result. You have only two. Once the thing got pushed inside an array, and then it will be like 3. This is how you can insert an elements in an array. How many push you require, you can push it 1, 2, 3, 4. You will be having so many times. You can insert as many elements, but at the end of your array it will be added at the end of your array. This is how you can add your elements inside an array. Hope this video will be useful for you and it will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.